Xcel Energy is preparing for possible power shutoffs as wildfire risks increase. The company says the first public safety shutoff could happen as early as tomorrow.
Our community folks will be reaching out to and notifying those folks that are going to be potentially in the impacted areas, whether it be from a potential public safety power shutoff, but there could also be outages just due to the high winds in the area that weren't from a proactive power shutoff.
Xcel says high winds could also cause unplanned outages, even outside of proactive shutoffs. And a reminder, if you see a down power line, do not approach it. Contact Xcel or your authorities and report it immediately.